Yeah, Prince, Yoda, Yaskia. Toe tagging beats and demolishing competition. I know that you've been hating, think it's time you took a listen. Prince Yoda in the building, make room for the vision. Legends in full effect, nigga, this the definition. I don't understand what all the chat is, y'all niggas mad lame. Talking about the money that you don't get, a crying shame. Try to point the blame, but there was no one there in sight. You just burned all your bridges, though you did it out of spite. Let the music fill your soul so that it got you moving right. Cause the worst is when you left in the middle of the night. Ask homegirl, she knows me way too well. She been giving knowledge, so I doubt that I'ma fail. Any test that you can give, I'ma pass. I ain't frail, I ain't fickle, I ain't weak. Commit the crime and make bail. Try and gas some niggas up, but I promise they won't sell. Yo, promote all you want, I promise they won't sell. Nah, them rookies ain't nothing like Prince Yoda. What's a peasant to a prince? Shit, I been showed ya. You ain't really about promoting till you get noticed. You ain't really trying to get you some real exposure. Roll the dice, take the chance, man, it's all life. Say it's a gamble, we just hoping that it ain't right. I see the finish line, I ain't stopping for no red lights, I'ma be alright. Roll the dice, take a chance, man, it's all life. Say it's a gamble, we just hoping that it ain't right. I see the finish line, I ain't stopping for no red lights, I'ma be alright. Prince Yoda, Yaskia, do my thing and then I'm out. They see I got the bait, they think I'm fishing for some trout. Then women start to creep when they get a peep, but it's loud. Niggas say I'm asleep, but I'm watching them from a cloud. I see them biting sounds and try to fit in with the crowd, but we don't know them niggas, bro, it's no squares allowed. And we ain't puffin' nicotine, we been clean Listerine. You off-brand, but not as bad, I'ma call you Scope. Cause once you enter mine, you see the levels to this dope. The way I intertwine my lines, my lyrics make you float. And once you get your peace of mind, then you can reach your hope. I'm flirting with success and we are soon to elope. Yeah, they was talking to me when they was probably dissing. Cause I'm as dope as it gets, but I ain't hit the kitchen. Never ever whip the pop, cause that ain't what my niche is. Music is my life, I promise that's my only mission. Roll the dice, take a chance, man, it's all life. Say it's a gamble, we just hoping that it ain't right. I see the finish line, I ain't stopping for no red lights, I'ma be alright. Roll the dice, take a chance, man, it's all life. Say it's a gamble, we just hoping that it ain't right. I see the finish line, I ain't stopping for no red lights, I'ma be alright. Better check yourself before you wreck yourself. New legend in the building, taking all your wealth. Better check yourself before you wreck yourself. The Prince been killing, worry about yourself. Take a look at your homies, recognize yourself. New legend, we the greatest, we want all your wealth. Please check yourself before you wreck yourself. West side, get the money, ain't no questions, bruh.